I absolutely fell in love with this XREXS mini hand vacuum cleaner. It's so fun and cool to use. In fact, I keep it downstairs in my home gym to keep everything clean and tidy. Yes, the filters are washable and reusable, but once in a while you simply have to replace them. So it looks like they sell a 2-pack. It comes in this box. So here are the filters, exactly the same. Oh, it's the OEM from the one that was provided with a mini vacuum cleaner. And yes, this is washable and reusable. All right, so let's go ahead and empty this out and replace it. Take out the filter, you simply unlock it, pull out the canister portion, pull out the filter, and look at all that dust and junk that it vacuumed up. It's a strong little vacuum. So yes, you can use the little brush to clean it and also to wash it, but make sure it's dry. But after prolonged use, it's time to replace this. So here is the old one compared with the new one. Exactly the same as one provided. Okay, so here's how you would simply install it back. Pop it in here. There's no specific orientation that it has to be. Just make sure it's on pretty tight. Okay, and then you're just going to replace the unit. Push it in, lock it, and we are good to go once again. Oh no, who made this mess? But have no fear. XREXS is here to save the day. Now you can keep your home clean and tidy with the XREXS mini handheld vacuum cleaner along with the replacement filters.